How to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can turn off quiet mode on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have been constantly getting notifications from Instagram and now that you were annoyed you enabled quiet mode and now you've decided that you want to disable it again, how can you do that? Well, in order to turn off quiet mode on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, just tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen, then just tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen, and then you want to simply go to settings. Once you go to settings, what you want to do is you'll find the option called notifications, and then you just want to go to this notifications option. Here you'll find quiet mode. Just tap on it. Currently you can see blue color, it means that it is turned on, and to turn it off you just have to turn off this toggle, tap on turn off quiet mode, and you'll be able to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. This way you can turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.